Okay, today I'm showing a jackfruit tree which is actually in a jungle, so there's another plant growing on it. You cannot see the trunk very well, but it's very obvious that this tree is also growing naturally. Here you have the fruit which is getting ripe, and since it's in the jungle nobody is collecting them. So we have here an example of the fruit getting rotten and being eaten by the insects, and once they are rotten enough they actually fell to the ground. This one is not yet completely rotten but starts to rotten on the trunk, and when they fell down they will become something like this, looking like a reptile skin, and disintegrating. You have worms eating that, little worms, and the seeds are not there. The skin looks like seeds, but the seeds are not visible anymore. Here are the seeds. Here you can see the seeds as they lay to naturally grow again and make another tree. Here's that fruits, like probably by the ripeness and by the height of the distance when it came down, it just exploded like that. Probably also liquefies after. And here you see nature at work, little vine flies taking care also of their part of that compost business. And here you see the jackfruit being completely rotten till the end. A black surface left on the ground, and the seeds remaining actually in good shape. Just I don't see any tree growing from them. I think that sooner or later one of these seeds could become a tree. So let's go back to that fruit which we saw. Finalize this little movie about a very, very interesting food supplier in Sri Lanka. Apparently there's so much of it that people don't even go to collect it all. And if that fruit falls on me now, I go in the hospital. Who knows, maybe genetic engineering will be able to transplant some of these good capacities of that very ancient fruit onto something else which will be useful to feed the humans in other places of the world.